What's the meaning of busing? Busing. Busing.
Busing. Busing. The word busing typically refers to the practice of transporting students by bus to schools outside of their local district in order to achieve greater racial integration. This practice was particularly prevalent in the United States during the 1960s and 1970s as a means of combating segregation in public schools. The result of busing was that students were able to attend schools that were previously unavailable to them due to discrimination, and schools became more diverse. However, the policy was also controversial and met with resistance from some parents and communities who opposed the disruption to their traditional neighborhood schools.